All right, so we just got this new iPhone 15 case. Let's check it out. This is supposed to be a good one. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see, let's get this out of here. There we go. So this is a piece of glass that you put on the iPhone. And here it is, check it out. And it's a little hard to pop open, but if you pull it like that, it'll pop open. I like that. I think that's gonna work good. All right. This here is a shield for the front of the phone, protective piece of glass, and there it is, right there. So let's hang on to that. This is the stuff you need to put it on, and yeah, there's some information right there that you need. Check them out. It's got the built-in kickstand, which goes both ways, you know. So let's go ahead and let's put the phone in there. All right. Pretty easy. Bam, done. Slide it over, kick her back. All right, so you can do it like this with the kickstand, or you can put it like that. Your choice. A couple different options. So I think it's gonna work great. If you're gonna do a landscape, if you're doing your shorts, bam, Bob's your uncle right there. So as you can see, this case works pretty good. All the little things work on it. Click, click, right? You got your stuff down there and over here. Protects your camera. It's kind of nice. All right, that's it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.